Nearly 6% of our electricity comes from renewable energy sources. By 2012, 12% of Northern Ireland's electricity consumption must come from indigenous renewable energy sources. Within the wind power industry, the infrastructure is already in place to ensure we're well on track to meet this target. From manufacture to maintenance, Northern Ireland has the knowledge and capability to excel in the wind power industry. We have a growing number of manufacturers and installers, as well as operations and maintenance companies within the region, providing first-class products and support for all types of wind turbine across Europe.
Westwind manufacture a range of very rugged and reliable wind turbines. It was designed with very remote and offshore sites in mind. We're marketing the wind turbines worldwide. We're selling to Asia, we're selling to Europe, we're selling to the United States, we're selling to Canada. We would have been the pioneers here in Northern Ireland.
For any industry to establish in an area, they obviously need service backup, and we would provide service backup for the wind turbines. We have specialised in doing the complete repair job. We don't send anything outside of our own company. We do the collection, we do the delivery, we do the diagnostics, and within our own company we do the machining. We have our own full test facilities that we can run the machines up to speed and load test them and give them a complete clean bill of health.
We really are going to concentrate now on the repairs of the machines that are already here, and it's very, very important. It's a very important business that, to keep those machines going, and as they get older they're going to need more maintenance, and we're here to do that. But to back that up, there are always new machines going in, and as they get older they're going to need maintenance, so it's a good, strong industry that's going to be here for a long time.
B9O&M was set up in 1994 to operate and maintain wind farms, in particular wind farms which have come out of warranty. The design life of a wind turbine is 25 years. They're under warranty for 5 years, and then we look after them for 20 years altogether after that. We'd be the biggest independent operator of wind plant in the UK and Ireland, and we've got 43 wind farms now that we have contracts on, and that represents about 650 wind turbines.
Northern Ireland's universities and regional colleges provide essential training, world-renowned research and development, and extensive product testing. The links between industry and education are well established and play a key role in strengthening the existing market and in its future potential.
The students have been made aware and have been placed in industry and have undertaken an engineering project. They will have research experience as well, and I think that's very important that they come out of the university with a complete package. And we actually have a very high standard of student and also a very high employment rate for students first coming out of university.
About 3 years ago, the college decided to invest in wind technology. We've seen that as a growing industry, so we developed a small-scale installers course, and to date that has had 200 people actually participate in that course and are now out physically installing small-scale wind turbines. It's the close working relationship that we have with the industry that will help us direct the course and develop the course in the future.
Innovation is very important for Northern Ireland, and if the university can be involved at an early stage, it often cuts out a lot of the R&D effort from a company perspective, brings the product to market a lot quicker and saves money.
We're reaching a situation where Ireland is seen as a leader in renewable energy by virtue of the fact that we're using so much locally. So I think that gives us an excellent base within which to try out new ideas. And in fact, we will have to lead the world in renewable energy if we are to develop it to its full capacity here in Ireland.
Northern Ireland's 2020 targets have yet to be set, but the EU has pledged that 20% of all energy in Europe should come from renewable sources. Expansion within the industry is therefore essential, and help on entering or growing in this market is available from Invest Northern Ireland.
We see the sustainable energy sector as having significant opportunities in Northern Ireland, both in terms of the growth of existing business base, but also in terms of attracting new investment. We can offer business a range of support, both in terms of start-up support in Northern Ireland, research and development support, and support to enter new marketplaces. We have the right skills base, we have a very competitive cost structure, we have good infrastructure within the universities. We'll work with businesses closely to ensure that they have the right property and also that they develop the right linkages.